Okay, we're trying to figure out the formula based on the name of a compound. The name that we're given is dinitrogen tetrahydride. So first what we have to do is look at some of the prefixes in this name. Okay, and we have to think about these prefixes, and there's a couple of them. And we'll just write down the first 5 here for our reference and what numbers they correspond to. So mono is 1, di is 2, tri is 3, tetra is 4, and penta is 5. So those are some common prefixes in compound naming. And then we also have other parts of the word. So if we isolate the prefixes here, break the word up a little bit, so we can see that we have dinitrogen tetrahydride. So that tells us that there's 2 nitrogen. Tetra means 4, so there's 4. And then what is hydride? That has the suffix IDE. And what that means is that it's a compound. And that's really it. Just having that IDE suffix tells you that it's part of a compound. So if we remove the IDE, we have hydra and then ide. So the ide tells us that we're working with a compound. We still have 2 nitrogen and 4 of whatever hydra means. And if we look at a periodic table, we can see that hydra really only matches up with hydrogen. So we know that it's 2 nitrogen, 4 hydrogen. So if we write that as a formula, we would take all of that information, even the fact that it's a compound, and we would call it N2, because there's 2 nitrogens, and H4, 4 hydrogens. So dinitrogen tetrahydride is N2H4.